Alright guys, consumer compute here. I don't even think I can get this box in here. Alright. Now what you're seeing is the screen being adjusted correctly. This box is absolutely huge. This is not the normal thing that I usually review, but I'm gonna do it. So this is the Phillips Norco S9000 Prestige Series men's razor. All right, this one here comes with a cleaning pod thing. It's one of the most expensive razors that Phillips Norco produces, and they actually have two variants of it. They have this variant that just has a power cord and cleaning pod doodad thingy, and then they have this version of it here, which comes with, if we look on the top here, comes with the precision trimmer, the premium pouch, the wireless Q charging pad, and the shaver. So this has wireless charging, whereas this guy here, same deal. I'm assuming these are the same exact models, but we're gonna find out when we open this up. Precision trimmer, cable-free cleaning pod, your premium pouch, and the shaver. So I'm actually gonna go and again show you this one. This one retails for $350. Don't know where else I could get it cheaper. That's pretty much what I'm seeing on Amazon, Best Buy right now. It's kind of like out of my realm, but I really wanted to know what the differences are between both of these shavers. So this is a more expensive one. I'm going to hold off on this for a second, and I'm going to open up the Norelco, the one without the wireless charging pad. I just want to see what the differences are between both razors. Obviously, I'm not going to show you guys me shaving. That would be weird. But I am going to open up the contents. We're going to do an unboxing of this. And let's just take a look out of the room, see where it goes. All right. So pretty much big thing here is it gives us Phillips Shaver S Precision designed to shave. Oh, QR code for a video. All right, if you guys want to scan it, figure out what it is. Register. Okay, so this is registration stuff here. All right, this is the premium case, and it feels like the shaver's already in here, so that's cool. And looks like this is my charger. Yeah, and it has, here, we'll open it up. Bam, it has that little prong there. All right. Then looking outside of the box. All right. Inside the box more. We have a, looks like a little, I'm going to get this out of the way. I'm just taking stuff out of the box, guys. I'm going to put that over here. We have a shaving manual. Okay, this looks pretty much, you know what? I'm kind of happy because, look, I got the full black on here, where on the box it kind of looks like black and silver. So we're going to see, maybe this does have wireless charging built into it. Not too sure, but here's your manual. You go through it. It's got the normal stuff. And this looks like it is the cleaning solution. So that's like a $12 value. Buy this on Amazon for like 12 bucks. And just looking in here, nothing else in this box, just a spacer. All right, sounds cool. Gonna throw that out of here for a second. We got the cleaning solution stuff for the cleaning pod. I guess this is where you put the shaver in, and the cleaning solution goes right in here. All right, nice. Leave this over to the side, because again, kind of getting my hopes up that the other razor is very similar. I mean, they are the same technically model number, but I don't know. All right, so we have what Norelco and Phillips Norco is calling their premium case for the shaver. Okay, that's cool. I like it. All right. Again, this version of the shaver is silver. All right. It does have a power cord right there. Turn it on. Powers up. All right. Got the little sticky doodad thingy here. Nice. Gonna leave that here. It says that the battery's 10%, so we definitely have to charge it. And supposedly, okay, so that's how you clean the razors. All right, but supposedly this thing pops out so that you can, not too sure how to do that, but this legit is your little trimming thing here, and they give you a little cleaning pouch. All right, I'm liking it. Kind of pretty cool. You got a little spot to throw your charger in here too. I guess, right? We'd throw that here, this here. The charger would probably go in here. So that's nice. All right. So, kind of digging it. It's kind of a pain in the butt. Put it in the case, but I'm liking it. All right, so gonna throw this guy over here. Gonna throw the manual over here. Okay. Gonna go into the other one that has the wireless charging pad. All right, let's take a look. First, notice that we see on the box that this color of the charger is black. That kind of makes me suspicious, or a little sus, if we're gonna use that. Due to the fact that I'm having a feeling that this guy, again, the $50 more, is definitely gonna have your wireless charging. Again, I don't know too much about razors, powered razors, but we're gonna see here. Okay, so obviously I've already opened this box upside down. All right, congratulations. Yeah, so already looking at this specific, I'm gonna move this out of the way for a second, guys. All right, so I'm already looking at this specific charger, razor, and what I'm noticing is that they're exactly the same case. Okay. Sounds good here. This might be promising. Let's just take a look. I'm gonna open this up. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna wait. I know. Coming back in here, let's see what else we have in the box. All right, we have the same exact, we got cardboard cutouts, but we have the same exact manual. That's kind of nice. Okay, instructions, QR code to register it. And, all right, pretty much that's about it. And the USB-C charging pad. Okay. So, this one doesn't come with the powered charger. It does come with this lovely, hold on guys, I'm just trying to get all this garbage out of here. And if you guys are still watching this video, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. Don't forget, click the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, please do that as well. Do appreciate that. All right, so we have the Phillips, I guess, wireless charge pad. Okay, that's pretty cool. Gonna go with that and a USB cable. All right, now, kind of pretty sturdy. I wonder if you can charge your phone on it. Probably, because it's Q charging. All right, same exact pouch. Here is the kicker. We have that. Guys, if you're worried about like missing out on the little Phillips trimmer, it does have your sideburn trimmer right here. So that's something that just pops in and out on the top. So that thing is definitely here. And you have a little brush cleaner. So that's good. All right. then let's take a look at the difference between this. So in reality, we do have our Phillips Norco razor. It's pretty much the same exact razor. It sounds exactly the same, but we have a charging pad, right? Compared to this guy here, which is pretty much same exact blades. You can already see them, except the color is different, and this guy has that. So the real big question is, and I'm gonna try and figure out how to get this plugged in. I'm gonna get all this stuff out of the way, and because literally it's the same razor, it's just a different color, a different way to charge it. That's about it. All right, so is that $50 worth that amount of money for you to charge it? As we're doing this, I'm just trying to find, I know I have a USB-C charger connected to my computer, and I think I'm gonna plug in this guy. And let's see, do both of them wirelessly charge? If they both wirelessly charge, that would be a plus, because then you could buy a wireless charger for both razors. Wow, when has the world got to the point where you can wirelessly charge a razor? All right, anyway, got this plugged in. Okay, round number one, let's see. Does the Norelco, I'm gonna say no. Unfortunately, this guy does not wirelessly charge. I'm feeling this a little heavier. All right, let's take a look. And yeah, so I mean, the big difference between these razors are literally that this one here is has more travel capacity, so you're going to be able to travel with it because you're able to just plug it in anywhere, and it does not have the wireless charging built into it. So same exact model, except the black one wirelessly charges and the silver one does not. All right, guys, comments. Well, yeah, let's get this back in here. Wow, I moved this stuff. Comments down below. Difference between both of these guys. Is this one wirelessly charges? This one you need a charging cable to charge for it, but they're the same exact razor. All right, save yourself $50. Don't worry about a wireless charging pad. Again, these are very expensive razors, like $300 a piece. This one's $350. This one's $299. Holy cow. Anyway, guys, thank you very much. This is Consumer Compute. Again, another unboxing, short little review. If you like this content, don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe, have a Patreon account as well. I will see you guys in my next video. This is Consumer Compute.